Hello, I'm glad that Dr. Johnson gave me this opportunity to speak with anyone that's willing to listen on the subject of dentistry. I'm 60 years old. As a child, I had a lot of medical issues and I went through a lot of extensive dental work by the age of 16. Jaw operations, skin graft, braces for over 5 years, a butterfly, on and on and on. So I was extremely phobic and I allowed my teeth to go into disarray. So finding the right dentist for me was very difficult. I was very phobic and I could barely control my body reaction that would go into this just convulsion of nerves. When I came into her office, we discussed that very thing because it's almost impossible for anyone to actually work on me because I couldn't control my body movements. She listened. That was the one thing that I noticed and loved about her the most, was that she looked at me as a whole person and just didn't stick me in a chair and try to just get me to behave, so to speak, even I'm in my older years. The thing that I wanted to say though was, it wasn't that I wanted to neglect my mouth, it was because I was so phobic. And she allowed me to have a conversation where I was heard, and she took me and listened, and she, every single time, I've seen her for a couple of years now, and every time she listens. The entire staff here listens. They just stop and they listen to me and continue on once I'm comfortable with doing so, which is, I've never had that before in a dentist. I've always been treated more like a number and, you know, more entrepreneurial dentistry. This is more where you're seen, you're heard, and that's phenomenal for me. It was a life-changing element for me. I'm concerned, and I really wanted to speak to anyone that's willing to hear and listen, that it is so important that your mouth is kept healthy, because it is an integral part of your entire body. Everything in your body resonates in your mouth as well. And don't even get me started about bacteria and other issues. I guess what I want to say is keep your mouth as healthy as possible. Find an excellent dentist. If you're in the area of Fort Lauderdale, you know who I'm going to recommend. It's going to be Dr. Johnson at Premier Smile. I wanted to do this video. I was not told or anything. I wanted to be the voice and say, please, it is ultimately, you know, imperative that you keep your mouth healthy, because it keeps your body healthy. And we want to live as long as we can possibly live in good health and have a quality life. And thank you for your time.